What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the Boltliner by Ti2 design. This is the mini super short, and it has the G2 mini in it. Make sure you stick around at the end of the video if you guys don't know how to find G2 minis. I'm going to show you at the end of this video what you're looking for when you're looking for them, because they do not sell inserts, so you have to actually buy something else. I'll show you at the end of the video exactly what you'll need. So here we have the Ti2 design Boltliner Super Short, and as you can see, it is small. Okay, so there's a comparison from the full size to the mini. As you can see, quite a bit of a difference. Let's get a quick tape measure and we will show you exactly the exact measurement. So we're 5 1/4 on the regular full size version and exactly 4 inches on the super short. These are super cool. The grid pattern there really helps you get a good traction. I've really enjoyed this one. The action is very nice, very fidgety, very light too, super light. But these are great. As you can see, the tip, it really shows out. Is what they consider a drafting tip, so where you can really see the tip as it's writing and the pen doesn't get in the way, and that really makes it convenient for a lot of people. But yeah, the super mini pen is super cool when it comes to, if you really don't need a pen a lot, this thing here, you know, look at that. I mean, it practically weighs nothing compared to the full size. I mean, these pens are exceptionally light. So you have the super short with a G2 mini, which is extremely popular. Pilot G2 mini, there you go. These are excessively popular with so many people. They don't work out quite so good for me at work because I'm going through multi-layers of paper, and they can kind of tend to blotch up on me. But overall, machining is very nice. Like I said, super fidgety. So yeah, it's very nice. These are very hard to come by too. He doesn't seem to put these out very often, but yeah, these are really good for fitting in your pocket when you don't need a pen a lot and you want something that is hidden and it's not going to be excessively pokey in your pocket like a full-size pen would be. I mean, you can see, it's quite a bit of a difference for sure there. Okay, so when it comes time to replace your ink cartridge, which is a G2 mini, you'll need to get a G2 mini pack of pens. Now, if you order these online, make sure that they are minis. I have ordered the wrong ones before myself. You can see the product number right there, because they don't sell them. They don't sell the inserts separately, so you have to buy the pens and then you have to take them apart and you have to recycle all this so that you can have the pen, the ink cartridge to replace your regular G2 mini. As you can see, they are exactly the same. And like I said, that you do need to make sure that they are G2 minis. There's short versions of the pen, and I don't know what they call them. I don't remember. I just remember that I bought them. They said G2 mini right on them, and then I take them apart, and it's actually the full size. The full size G2, and don't ask me how they managed to fit it, but they were, I don't know. But anyway, it is something you do need to be careful of, And it is really the only way that you're going to be able to get this is by buying and basically scrapping a bunch of pens like this in order to get a replacement. So just quick little handy tip in case you don't know and you're just getting into pens and just getting into G2 minis. You can't buy the ink cartridges, so you have to buy a pack and split them all up. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.